Good morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Tracking a storm moving in that's going to bring us several inches of snow, not just to the mountains, but for the lower elevations as well. We're looking at anywhere from about 2 to 5 inches here in the metro area, starting tonight into tomorrow morning. So the heaviest snow falling overnight, but certainly going to impact in some way your commute tomorrow morning, because it is going to be cold, it is going to be slick, there's going to be snow on the roadways. I'm sure the plows and the city crews will be out overnight doing their best to keep the roads safe for tomorrow's commute. But again, we are expecting a good amount of snow, anywhere again from 2 to 5 inches to fall by the morning commute tomorrow. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we're dealing with right now. Here is a live look at the radar across the country. A lot of winter storm. In fact, we're tracking a major winter storm moving into the Ohio Valley right now in the mid-Atlantic, and so that is certainly going to impact travel. If you have any travel plans to the East Coast, just be aware of this major storm. We're talking about upwards of a foot of snow in the Washington, D.C. area with this storm system. Here we're just dealing with some energy moving in from the north and west, increasing clouds out in front of it, a little bit of light snow across the northeast corner of the state. That does include the travel along I-76, I-70 in the mountains, seeing a little bit of light snow. First of all, increasing clouds as that energy comes our way, and then we'll see an increase in moisture as we head into the evening hours and certainly the overnight hours. We do have a winter weather alert. This is a winter weather advisory for the urban corridor that extends all the way from the Wyoming border down south through Colorado Springs, where we're talking about, again, 1 to 3 inches of snow north of the metro area, but Denver and south, we're talking about 2 to 5 inches of snow closer to the Palmer Divide, southern mountains, 6 inches of snow possible with this system moving through. Right now we're at 34 degrees, winds out of the east-southeast to 14 miles per hour. Feels like it's 25 out there with the wind chill. Current temperatures mainly in the 30s across the plains, 19 degrees in Sterling, 21 in Ray. Up in the higher elevations, we're at 31 in Eagle. Down in the always chilly basin of Gunnison, 6 or 8 degrees right now, rather. Today, clouds increase again. Snow moves in after about 6 o'clock. We're going to top out right around 39 degrees, so just a couple degrees cooler than normal for this time of the year. Forecast highs, again, we're looking at mainly 30s across the plains, 20s and 30s in the high country. So we're calling it a weather impact day tomorrow. That's because of the snow, and it will impact likely your morning commute in one way or another. So tomorrow morning, a weather impact day. The snow gets going late tonight. Snow continues through the morning commute tomorrow. And again, we are expecting some disruptions with your morning commute tomorrow, with several inches of snow falling and those below freezing temperatures. Here's a look at our Futurecast, putting our forecast into motion here. Clouds increase tonight. We see some spotty light snow showers developing over the mountains. By 6 o'clock, we start to see the snow move into the Fort Collins area. That's why the winter weather advisory starts a little bit earlier up to the north. Also a little bit of light snow in and around the metro area. It starts to pick up about 9 o'clock. Continued snow in the Fort Collins area. And overnight, that's when we start to see that widespread snow up and down the I-25 corridor, out east across the plains as well. Both I-70 and I-76 impacted with this snowstorm. I-76 for the most part out across the northeast corner of the snow, not under any advisory at this point, but again, that could change if we do get some more snow falling up there. Continued snow over I-70 as we head into the early morning hours, and that includes the metro area and I-25 south of the metro. 11:30, we start to see it dissipate. By early afternoon, we're just talking about snow Palmer Divide south through Pueblo, where we could see another inch or two of snow accumulation. As for snow totals, we're looking at a good 2 to 5 inches in the metro area. Higher accumulations maybe by an inch or two south of the metro and west of the metro as well. Tomorrow, snow mainly before noon, mostly cloudy, 24 degrees. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. forecast. Again, the snow moves in late tonight, but tomorrow is our weather impact day. Again, expect a dicey morning commute. And with that snow continuing till about noon again, and the temperatures staying well below zero, expect some slick driving conditions throughout the day tomorrow. We finally warm up ever so slightly on Wednesday. We have a very dry air mass moving in. That's going to keep us dry, but still cold. 35 degrees will be our high after an overnight low tomorrow, Tuesday into Wednesday of 4 degrees. We're going to be warming up to 35, so still several degrees below normal for this time of the year. Dropping down into the teens Thursday, we have another system moving in that will bring us about a 20% chance for some snow on Thursday. Again, we're looking at that very chilly temperatures continuing. It's going to be a little blustery as well. Those winds are going to pick up on Thursday, so we'll top out right around 35 degrees. Once again, dropping down into the very chilly territory, single digits and teens Thursday night into Friday. Warming back up into the upper 30s on Friday. Going to be windy on Saturday as well. A bit more seasonal. We do have a chance for some snow on Saturday, probably about a 15% chance for some snow. Oh, I'm going to go back to that on Saturday into Sunday as temperatures drop back down into the 30s on Sunday. That is a quick look at your weather on this Monday morning. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.